It's 95 degrees Fahrenheit outside. You hit the AC and get nothing but hot air. You're not alone. Each summer, millions of drivers face AC failure, and nearly half of all issues trace back to one small part, not the compressor, not a leak, but the AC pressure switch. When it fails, cooling stops cold. Here are 7 key symptoms and how to fix each one. Number 1. Total AC failure. When the pressure switch fails completely, the compressor never turns on. The AC light may glow, but the vents only blow warm air. Inside the system, the broken switch blocks the electrical signal that energizes the compressor clutch, so refrigerant never circulates. Once the circuit is restored with a new switch and a quick refrigerant recharge, cooling usually returns immediately. It's one of the fastest and most affordable repairs if caught early. Number 2. Intermittent cooling. A faulty switch often starts by working sometimes and failing other times. Cold air will come in strong for a few minutes, then suddenly fade to warm. This happens because the sensor misreads pressure and toggles the compressor off when it shouldn't. Corrosion on the connector or weak internal contacts can make the signal flicker. Replacing the worn switch and cleaning the plug terminals stabilizes compressor operation, bringing back steady, reliable cooling. Number 3. AC blows only. Warm air. If your system only pushes warm or hot air even with the temperature set to maximum cool, the switch may no longer allow the compressor to engage. With no refrigerant flow, the evaporator stays warm, and you feel no drop in temperature. Checking refrigerant level first is wise. Low pressure can mimic the same symptom. If levels are fine, a new pressure switch generally restores normal compressor activation and restores that crisp, cold airflow. Number 4. Clicking or buzzing noises. Strange clicking or buzzing from the compressor area is a classic sign that the pressure switch is malfunctioning. It sends unstable signals that make the compressor clutch snap on and off repeatedly, creating a rapid series of mechanical clicks. This erratic cycling stresses the clutch and bearings, which can lead to costly wear if ignored. Once the faulty switch is replaced, the compressor engages smoothly again, leaving only the faint single click that's normal during each cycle. Number 5. Rapid cycling. Sometimes the problem appears as constant short bursts of compressor operation. The clutch engages for a few seconds, then drops out repeatedly. The cabin never cools because the compressor isn't running long enough to stabilize system pressure. Inside, the bad switch is misinterpreting the pressure readings, shutting the compressor off too early. Replacing it restores proper timing. Each run lasts minutes instead of seconds, so the refrigerant can cool thoroughly before the cycle resets. Number 6. Weak cooling at idle. Another sign appears when the AC cools well while driving, but turns warm at stoplights or in traffic. Modern cars use the high-pressure switch to command the radiator or condenser fans to ramp up when pressure builds at idle. When that switch fails, the fans don't increase speed, the condenser overheats, and the refrigerant can't condense properly. As the car moves again, natural airflow cools it, and cold air returns. Installing a new high-pressure switch restores fan control, ensuring steady cooling even while idling on a hot day. Number 7. Evaporator freeze-up. Sometimes a bad pressure switch sticks closed, allowing the compressor to run non-stop. Over time, the evaporator coil inside the dash becomes so cold that moisture freezes on it. Airflow weakens and then stops entirely as ice blocks the fins. After a short rest, the ice melts, and cold air returns until it freezes again. Replacing the defective low-pressure switch resets the system's protective cutoff, preventing the evaporator from dropping below freezing. Once repaired, air will stay consistently cool without frosting or mist from the vents. Each of these problems starts small: a flicker in temperature, a faint squeal, a strange cycling pattern, but ignoring them can turn a $100 part into an $800 compressor job. The AC pressure switch is designed to protect your system, yet when it fails, it does the opposite. If your car's cooling performance changes suddenly or behaves erratically, have a technician test the switch before assuming the compressor is bad. Acting early keeps your cabin cool, your components healthy, and your summer drives comfortable.